Let's take a look at a recap of what's been going on the last couple of weeks with RealWorldPDR.com. Here's some videos that have actually been uploaded. So on RealWorldPDR.com, we have everything from beginner to super duper advanced video lessons. At RealWorldPDR, we train with modern tools and modern techniques, not decades old techniques with tools that are barely functional. Also, the techs using RealWorld PDR have proven that you can indeed learn PDR all with online content. The secret to the success of RealWorld PDR has been this: we boil everything down to simple and repeatable processes. This isn't voodoo magic, this is a skill that you can learn with the right training. We have content ranging from absolute 100% beginner dents to content that's helping 20+ year PDR technicians learn every day. The techs that took a gamble with me when I first started RealWorld PDR are now mostly successful PDR techs making well into the six figures every year with a job that provides them financial and personal freedom. Now, I can't do the work for you. It is up to you and your work ethic to put in the reps and use the information that I give you to learn the art of PDR. If you need more proof, head over to RealWorld PDR Fan Nation and talk to actual members of RealWorld PDR. Again, we have over 180 high-quality instructional PDR videos. Now, this is more than just worthless PDR examples. Here you're going to learn the whys of PDR. You're going to really start to understand how metal moves, so you can tackle some of the damage that you've seen me tackle on this YouTube channel just like this. The only way you can accomplish repairs on damage like this are with a deep understanding of metal movement. After your time studying on RealWorldPDR.com, you will have that. Now look, I would never be so arrogant as to call myself a legend, like other old school PDR technicians and trainers have done. But what I will say is I'm damn good at dents, and I might be even better at training others how to do PDR. I'm making PDR more accessible, and I'm turning out higher quality technicians faster than I'm aware that anybody has done in the past. To make sure that you're getting the highest quality, personalized learning experience available, I'll even do things like this. This was a picture posted on RealWorld PDR Fan Nation of an actual Real World member in a dent that he was getting ready to do. I walked him through the entire process of how to repair this dent. I just got a text from him and he successfully repaired this. I guarantee you will not find an online PDR trainer who gives more of a shit than me. So check out RealWorldPDR.com, sign up for PDR Monthly today.